Hey, what's up, YouTube family? We are getting ready to head into one of our spots that we like to go into and check some things out. We're going to go in here and see what they have. Have something that I had ordered and waiting for it to come. Excited about that. However, we want to come up in here and see what they have and see if they have similar to what I'm getting, see what the prices are, look at some ammo, and keep pushing. Holla at y'all in a minute. Let's get up in here, man. Dang, look, it's that time already, man. It's Christmas time up in this joint. They getting ready, man. Look at this. They got little puffy joints from Bass for the kids. What's the ages on this? 1.5 to 3 years old. Not a bad price either. Come over here and check out some bikes, check out some e-bikes real quick. Look at an e-bike right here. Ascend. Which is this one? $19.99. Brackets for it. I went to the mother load, huh? I went by all the regular bikes and went straight to the e-bike. Let's see how much regular bikes cost. $4.99. It's not that regular. Probably got the Shimano gear shifters. What's this right here? Man, beach tires. Color on this one. Got the shock in the middle. All the fishing rods. Let's get over to the. Gotta get over to the guns, man. Gotta get over to the guns, man. Where the guns at? We gotta get to the guns. Uh-oh, we got somebody up in this joint, man. Uh-oh, we got Santa. Santa's Wonderland. Nice. And you got the reindeer thing going on over here. Wow, look at this. Nice setup. Christmas time is here, baby. Oh, they got all of these joints too. Look at that. They got them all back here. It's all related, y'all. We gotta get these too. Got some shocks on this joint. $59. Yo, you could come here. You can drop your kids can drop what they want in here. Santa's mail. Oh, this is cool. I remember I had one of these when I was a kid. Build a log house. That's pretty cool, man. I like that. I'll be in this joint all day doing it. Christmas candy. More cars. That's nice. I like that. Oh, I should have took a picture. Let's see. I might want a picture like this. He said do it.
Take a picture of
He said do it.
Bribe your kids. Ask me the name.
Lawrence.
Lawrence.
Yeah.
Gotcha, whenever you're ready.
All right. We'll come over here and get a picture with Santa, man. Not gonna sit on your lap though, Santa. No. He said no. Get a picture with Santa. Here, can you hold it for me? Appreciate it.
Are you taking video?
Oh yeah. Can you hit the button though? Thank you.
I think it.
Think you did it?
I don't know if I did it right. I'm not.
You want one?
More toys. This can go in the water. Oh. the setup. How you doing, man? No, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm getting ready to head over there to the Firearms. That's where I'm going.
Hey, by the way.
Y'all got deals in that on that? Nah, I'm good. I'm good. Appreciate you though. All right. All the pretty fish. Nice setup in here. About to head on over here to the favorite part, y'all. Let's go. Yeah, it's a 380 right here. HP, H&K VP9. Vanities. Right here. Gen 3. $4.99. Sheesh.
I'll have the 38 spot. Not blazer.
They move things around in here. Kimber.
I thought you would be.
Rapid. Scorpius. Nellies. They some small looking knives. Yo, they got a lot of scopes in here. Let's find out what I do need for a scope is I need the clamps for it. I wanted a FDE. Let me see, whole son. 45 over there. That's nice. 1669. Dang. Gun cleaning kit, $39.99. That's nice in that case. This one like a wooden handle on it, almost like wooden. Spectre. Revolvers. Over there. Ruger. $629 coming down. Man, Kimber is up there on the prices. Stoker with a CZ, $1,049. Model 11 compact. Oh snap! That's kind of nice. 29. Like a 17. It's in the next one. Further down you go. Oh, that's so cute. They were the big boys down here. That's a 350. Anaconda 44 mag. Red Hawk. I remember I was on them, but I want the smooth cylinder. I gotta do a review on my Smith & Wesson 627. They got a 642 38 special. I want one of them too. Firearms, 2-shot Joe. I'm gonna get one of them. It don't matter. It don't matter. Wherever you go, they be having the clocks, boy. Clocks be all over. These prices too. It's like 500 and up. A couple little 448s, 9mm. Glock 48. 448. 43X. I like that one. That's our 1911 SS right there, $9.99. Of course, that CZ right there, Shadow, $1,049. That's holding at that price. Pistol grips. The difference between this and a bow. 15 M4 pistol grip. Oh, plus K2. Gen 3 sling. Some waypoints. Guards. That's all stock. $80. 53. They had a folding brace in here. They don't mess around, huh? Front sight. Okay, that's what I need. I need to know the size. I need to know the size. We got this one right here. Like 119. Air guns. 556. $2.99. .357 mag, $37.99. Federal, $39.99. Gun library. Behind the doors. Outside hard targets. I need the stuff that goes inside of them. You know what it's called, insulation or whatever. They don't sell that separate, huh? Yeah, super light, that's for fire. And that's for theft. Theft on this side. It's a little heavier. Oh, here it is. They sell it. Dang. It's right here. $24.99. No, sir. Dang. The Cabela name 2000. See, I have this case, but I need this right here. Photos. Signs for cars. All right, man, that's about it, man. We're gonna wrap up this thing at Cabela's. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Waiting for that surprise to come. Once it do, we gotta come back up in this joint because there's some stuff I need, but I want to wait for it to come before I pick it up. And I'll holler at y'all later, man. Let's go Eagles. Peace.